Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to remove your bank account from Google Pay. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Google Pay on your phone. After you open the application, you want to click on your profile picture on the top right side. After you click on your profile picture, here you can see this option, bank accounts. Here I have 3 accounts attached. Just click on bank account. After that, here you can see all the bank accounts that are attached. I'm gonna remove the second one. And now once you click on it, here it will redirect you to this page. Go on the top right side. You can see here these 3 vertical dots. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, click on remove account. And once you click on remove account, you will have to click on continue, and it will be deleting your UPIs and all attached accounts, as you can see. And after that, when you go back here, as you can see, I have only now 2 accounts available, not 3, because it's removed the third one. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.